Hi everyone, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a bag strap or curtain strap. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Skip first chain, insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert your hook in next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next chain and pull up loop 3 times, 4, 5. Insert your hook in last chain and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 5 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then pull through next 5 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull through last 6 loops, chain 1. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and the last time. Insert your hook in this loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop. Insert your hook in this space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop 3 times, 4, 5, and 6 times. Insert your hook in next loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first 5 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then pull through next 5 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull through last 5 loops, chain 1, and repeat. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last time. Insert your hook in this loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and 6 times. Insert your hook in last loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first 5 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then pull through next 5 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull through last 5 loops, chain 1. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. Now I reach my desired length. Thanks for visiting. I upload new videos every week. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. Bye.